Let's be honest, when was the last time you asked for basic human rights? We spend our 6 hours from 24 hours in a day in our school asking for the basic rights. Ma'am, can I drink water? Can I go to restroom? Like, are you mad? You are asking for a very silly thing, but still it's considered as respect. So we cannot do anything. But I have noticed a pattern that this system is not designed to make you a leader, an innovator, or a creator. It is designed to make you a reliable worker who just follows all the rules without questioning them. They are making you employees, they are not making you the leader. They want them to be the leader, but not you. And that is the harsh truth. The things we learn in schools are completely different from real life problems, and it is truth. The problem which comes in your life doesn't have a formula or an example. It is just a problem. It is a random problem, and it can come in anyone's life. But you should know like basic life skills so you can survive in this world. I'm not saying cruel or princess world. It is a world, and there are both sides. So, how can you actually take the control of your own life while being stuck in this system? You cannot do about anything in the system, but you can take control of your own system. Like you can take control of your own life. So, I have written some 4 points for you all. So, let me tell you one by one. So, first one is public speaking and presenting. When you have a best idea, like greatest idea ever, and you don't know how to convey that, then nobody cares. Nobody cares about it. Practice talking on camera, practice talking to your friends about a random topic for 1 minute. You can try it in English or Hindi as well. Or you can getting over the awkwardness of speaking up is a superpower, and I am telling you by experience that it is the best feeling ever when you can speak in front of like 100 people. It is the best feeling in the world, I'm telling you. When you will overcome that awkwardness, that shyness you have in yourself, you will be the best, I'm telling you. So the second point is one high value hard skill. You have to learn one thing. Just you should make sure you are learning the skill which suits you, which you want to learn from your own interest. For me, it is content creation and content creation strategy and learning that. And you can also learn about like coding, graphic designing, video editing. Why am I telling about that technological things? Because this era is about technology, and the future generation is also going in the technological advanced era. So you should know how to use AI and graphic designing. These skills are just a common skills. And you can also learn Dutch typing. It is also very important for most of the jobs. So if you want to learn, you should make sure you are learning for yourself. Third one is real world execution. Don't wait to gain experience. You should join a community or make a group project with your friends. Either you can make a channel, YouTube channel with like 4 or 5 of your friends, and you all post one reel or one video daily. So it will help you get the experience of that job before you are doing that. I'm not saying about technology only, you can also go for workshops. And fourth one is questioning for everything. You don't have to be a reliable worker who is not questioning. You have to question. You are a curious person. You have to become that curious one of yourself, curious version of yourself. When you was like 5 years old, you were very curious, but now you are not. Why? You have to become curious. You have to ask questions like, why are we doing this? And if we are doing, and if I does any other method, then what is the outcome of that thing? You should know everything. It is very important. If you are learning something, you should know the pros and cons of everything. Okay, so these are the 4 things. Now, the bottom line, I have written something for you all. Your grades measure how well you play a specific green game. They don't define your intelligence, your creativity, or what you are capable of doing. Just do whatever you want. You can learn anything. You are the best. You have to just be delusional, and you should have the audacity to fight against your comfort zone, because it is very difficult for me. It was very difficult when I tried to get out of my comfort zone and record in this hot weather without my like fan or cooler over without using my fan or cooler. I was doing that, and it is literally, I'm sweating right now, but still I'm doing that. Why? Because I have that compassion. Okay guys, so I made videos for self improvement for teens. So if you like my video, then do hit the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Follow for more.